Hello, my name is Dr. Godwin. Today I'll be making buns. These are my ingredients: flour, sugar, milk, eggs, nutmeg, salt, baking powder, butter and oil. So let's get started. First, let's sieve our flour to remove dead particles. Add a cup of sugar inside the flour. The next one is to add my baking powder. The next one is to add my salt. The next one is to add my butter. The next one is to add my nutmeg. Then mix it together. Then mix them properly with your fingers. When you're done mixing, keep it aside. Get a bowl and break 2 eggs inside. I'm going to break it.
Hey, easy.
And pour in a cup of milk inside. Then mix them together. Create a hole in the middle of the flour. Then pour in the mixture of milk and egg inside. Then make sure you wash your hands and mix them together. And add some drop of cold water. Mix them very well. Mix.
Yeah.
Our batter is almost ready.
Trying to help him to mix it very well. Hold it very well so that it will not fall.
Then cover it for some minutes. My frying pan is on fire. Pour in some oil in the pan. About to fry my buns. sure you fry on a low heat. Trying to check if our oil is hot. It's hot already. About to fry my buns. I should release.
Right, get some buns.
It is golden brown. Make sure you fry on a low heat. Our buns is almost ready. Ta-da! Our buns is ready. Our buns is ready. It's hot. Ouch! Ready to.
How is it?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Thanks, Mommy, for assisting me in my home economics assignment.